Welcome back to The Ragged Life. Now in this episode, we get to see the concrete countertops from Das come to the house and be installed. Now the fun part about all of this is to see my house day by day become closer and closer to becoming a home. And you know, when you finally get a table in the kitchen and you finally get countertops in the kitchen, it starts to really feel like a home. So this episode really represents something very special to me. It's almost like that last 5%, you know? The team at Das also did us a huge favor by personally installing the countertops for us. That's not what they typically do. Typically they work with different kitchen companies and different countertop companies to do the install. But for this one, they wanted to add a little extra love to the project, and they were able to install them. And for that, I'm very, very grateful because they did such a bang up job. After they're installed, my brother also gave us this massive gift of coming over and taking photos of the new installation. And for that, I'm so grateful, Mark. Thank you for that. Mark is an incredible photographer doing amazing things. Check him out at markhemmings.com and also his YouTube, Mark Hemmings Photography. Our whole family is so excited about our new countertops, and I know there's going to be a lot of loving meals prepared on it, and a lot of crafts being made on it, and a lot of just hanging out on the stools around it. So tune into the next episode to see how the Das concrete countertop folks work with me to show me how a concrete countertop can patina, but also show me how to fix and repair little etches and scratches that maybe we don't want. Very informative episode if you are thinking about getting a concrete countertop. Super excited to share it with you. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for tuning in. Looking forward to seeing you next week.